Hi, everybody. It's Sarah Cray, and welcome to day 2 of our 12 days of giveaway. Giveaway? So what we're doing for it is every day out of the 12 days, we are highlighting a small business that we have come to know and love within the art world. So just to share it with you and to celebrate you guys, just a big thank you for your support throughout this year, and especially in the transition since Michael and I bought Let's Make Art. The amount of patience and support and understanding we have received has been honestly astounding. And so we really just wanted to do something special to celebrate you guys and also introduce you to some small businesses that I, for the most part, know and love and have been using their stuff for quite a long time. Okay.
Excellent.
So for this year, for this day, day 2 of our giveaway, we are highlighting artist Krista Coons, right?
Yep.
And she is a ceramic artist and she makes really lovely things. But one of my favorite things that she makes is she makes these ceramic brushes. So if you follow me on Instagram, you have probably seen my really unique ceramic brushes that I paint with when I do like atmospheric painting and all that kind of stuff. So probably the number one question I get the most is like, where did you get that paintbrush? So I purchased one of her ceramic brushes as well as a brush rest. And this is actually an egg dish. But when I saw it, I was just like, this is perfect for a paint palette. So I included also this egg dish paint palette here. So the winner will receive all 3 goodies.
It's a perfect gift for someone who loves eating eggs while painting.
Eating eggs while painting. Who doesn't love a deviled egg while painting? That's what I'm saying. Okay, Michael is going to pick our winner. So if we can do a drum roll, please.
Yep. And today's winner is Anka Horacek.
Anka, are we pronouncing that right?
Listen, I looked it up.
Anka, thank you so much for following us. I'm so sorry if we mispronounced your name. I believe we have your email address. We will be contacting you to get your correct mailing address so we can ship you these goodies. And if you, as a viewer, are interested in looking at where you can get your own ceramic brushes or kind of any of these things, we are going to include Krista Coons' studio information in the caption so you guys can take a look and maybe get something special if you're interested. And if you want to be a part of this really fun thing, you just follow us on our socials or our YouTube channel, email list, any of our social channels, and that gives you an entry. And then we're just pulling names every day. Okay?
Excellent.
Thank you guys so much for your support, for being here with us, and for allowing us to be here. We truly have the best time. So I hope you guys feel our appreciation and love, and we'll see you guys for day 3. Bye.